Dear parents, welcome to Kota Maths Lab video tutorials. In this video series, we will bring you various mathematics concept development in the form of worksheets. These worksheets are combined in a booklet called as How to Improve Your Mathematics in Easy Steps. This book is meant for 5th standard to 8th standard level student. In fact, how it is designed is, if a student studying in 8th standard but would like to improve upon his her basics, will come back to the level of 5th grade and learn mathematics right from the basics. At the same time, if a child studying in 6th grade is quite good at his her mathematics, should be able to switch over to the 7th grade mathematics. A systematically, scientifically designed worksheets are being introduced as a tool of learning mathematics for your children. The contents in this videos will be numbers, exponents, quinary system, arithmetic operations, solving brackets, HCF and LCM, algebra basics, angles, triangles, area and perimeter, fractions, decimals, percentages, profit and loss, simple interest, ratio and proportion, sets, algebraic operations, linear equations, and statistics. Dear parents, during this tough time and turbulent time of COVID-19 hitting the entire learning system, we in Kota Maths Lab thought of producing video tutorials that could be useful to the children. It goes quite a step by step. In fact, if you are too a fast learner, it could take too a less time for you to master the skills that are being taught in these worksheets. If you are a beginner in mathematics, it would definitely gain confidence in the children. If the child is average or a little above average, will give enough exercise to get into the detailed conceptual clearance of mathematics. The step-by-step discussions will go as I explain you. I have taken worksheets from the book and arranged for your understanding how it goes. Dear parents, just observe the first one. The discussion taken topic is numbers and the level of learning is 0. And then level of learning 1 will come, and then level of 2 will come, level 3 and 4 will come, level 5 and 6 will come. That is, each single topic is assigned with worksheet number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like that. In each worksheet, we will be discussing one single concept. Each concept, according to us, is quite a fantastic one, which gives the detailed discussion of the concept. Say, for example, the place value of 5 in 10,583. Therefore, in this worksheet, we will be discussing what is the place value, what is the face value, how many tens are there in a given number, how many thousands are there present in a given number, how many lakhs are there in a given number, how many fives are there in a given number, something like that. In each question here, slowly if you go on observing, all of them are initially the place value only, and after that, if you look at this particular question, what digit is in lakhs place in 11,28,000? Here the student will have to be given a clear picture, a clear picture as to how identification of the digits in different places, and therefore place value chart has to be explained. Prior to going to any of the answering methodology of a given worksheet, we will explain you with the place value chart and other things supporting material, and then you will be sent a worksheet in advance by with your email ID. At the time of registration, you will be giving us your mail ID. You will get our worksheet in advance to you. If possible, you can take a printout of it, or you can also collect one full copy of worksheets from our office, so that when the classes will go step by step, worksheet wise, we will mention you very clearly which worksheets will be covered the next day, and thereby you will be able to get the clear picture of following the entire methodology of learning. Here, in these worksheets, it's not only the basic mathematics will be discussed. Sometimes the discussions will go with respect to mathematicians who have contributed to a greater extent for the development of mathematics. Thus, I take pledge that the students will be in a perfect condition after completion of this small course. The period of this course, anywhere from 30 days to 90 days. The price for this course is quite minimum. We know that economy is hit, public is definitely having a problem with respect to money flow. We are hence not interested in charging more on the parents at such time. Dear parents, stop not learning, but at the same time, please watch. All our videos will be very simple in its nature. We don't wish to give a Cartoon Network through our learning methodology. Why? Because when learning take place, it should take a pure mathematics learning. It is not the Cartoon Network. Therefore, we have not added any effects in this. And without effects, we want to bring pure mathematics for you. I wish you a very happy learning. Please subscribe immediately. Support us. Thank you for watching this video.